We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to be looking at an HP CM6040 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the drums today. So the first step you're going to want to do is to power off the printer. Anytime you change any of the toner or drums, you always want to power off the printer first. You'll find the power switch just to the right of tray 2. Wait for the machine to fully power down. And then on this front door there's a handle on each side. You're going to want to grab those handles and pull straight down. And then you have 2 cartridges in here. One's your drum cartridge, which is on the bottom. The top is your toner cartridge. Today we just want to remove our drum cartridge. So you're going to grab this little handle and pull straight out. Always making sure that you use this little blue handle to actually remove it out of the machine. When you set it down, you want to set it down on a clean, dry, flat surface with the drum facing down. You don't want to lay on its side or anything like that. You want to lay it straight down. And then we're going to grab our new drum. We've already unpacked one. And once you unpack it, depending on where you get your drum from, a lot of them will have a hard plastic cover that covers the drum. You should always leave that on until you actually install it. And when you slide this up into the machine, you notice that you can actually push the cartridge right off of that guard straight into the machine without having to take this off. So it's a good way to make sure that your drum stays covered and protected all the way until it gets inside the machine, so no scratches or damaging happens while you install it. So once you put your drum all the way in, and then close this front door here and power the machine back on. Once the machine power is on, you'll notice that it goes into calibration mode. As it's calibrating, it's probably going to take up to about 5 minutes for it to finish calibrating. It has to dump toner into the drum and fill the drum hopper before it can fully calibrate all the colors and make sure everything's working properly. As long as it finishes its calibration and goes into full ready mode, then you're good to go. If you have any trouble, any kind of errors come up, then please give Onyx a call and we can see if we can help you out with that process, or watch following videos where we can help walk you through how to troubleshoot what some of those problems may be. And again, I showed you how to change. Today we did the black drum. That same process follows for all 4 drums inside the machine. But if you have any questions or concerns, again, please give us a call. Otherwise, you'll be back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.